Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we have another update on HCMC. We've been covering this one for quite some time on my channel. Those of you that have been following all of this, okay, you guys know that I have a small position myself in HCMC on the grand scheme of things anyway. However, it is exciting to follow, and hopefully we're going to get the news that we want regarding the lawsuit, and now we have the rights offering on top of this as well. If you appreciate all the updates, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. HCMC is a speculative stock, let's make no bones about it. However, lots of great things are coming out, okay, and it's definitely exciting to follow. If you're investing in this one, you've been part of the roller coaster journey with HCMC. Let's get into the latest updates around them, okay. HCMC, Healthy Choices Management Corp, provides additional information with respect to its rights offering and online trading platforms. At the moment, there is a rights offering going on where you'll get 25% discount on every one of 4 shares that you own, okay. So if you own 4 shares, you'll get 25% off on 1 share. It's not the biggest discount in the world, but nevertheless it is a discount, and if you're looking to build up your position, this could be a good time to be trying to get some shares, okay. If you're happy with your position, you don't need to take this right offering. People are saying, will you get diluted? Not technically, however, your percentage ownership will go down. You won't necessarily lose any shares, your shares will remain the same, but that's just something to consider here, okay. And of course, if you don't take this up, somebody else can take up your rights offering, and this can therefore become oversubscribed. So let's just go into the latest updates around this, okay. Due to the high volume of inquiries from its stockholders, wishes to provide information with respect to participation of its rights offering for online trading platforms. A lot of people right now haven't had any notification, including myself, regarding the rights offering through your brokerage. They're having a bit of a backlog right now, and that's basically what this is informing us of, what is going on. The destination, and it goes on this number 422RG, etc., for rights offering has begun to appear on online trading platforms. The destination is typically accompanied by a quantity equal to 25% of the account owner's position in HCMC on the record date of May the 18th, 2021. This 25% represents the account owner's amount of basic subscription rights. That's how many rights you have, okay? So if you have had that number, this is good for you, because it's basically saying, now look, you have the option here for the rights offering. If you haven't seen that number yet, then so far your brokerage has not put this out. That's generally the understanding at the moment. Investors who wish to exercise their oversubscription rights and purchase more than the quantity should contact their online trading platforms customer service department for specific procedures to do so. So you can buy more if you want, but you haven't allocated the amount anyway, which is basically yours. No one else can touch that if you wish to purchase. If you don't, then that can obviously be redistributed out. Goes on here to talk about our trading platforms. In the coming days, we expect the online platforms to make available the necessary forms to participate in the rights offering, as well as the specific instructions for making an investment. Once these forms and instructions become available, you should first direct any questions to your online trading platform customer service. And it says if you still have unanswered questions, you can email a shareholder at Broadway Ridge, which we spoke about before as well. And then it goes on to talk about, unless extended by the company, the rights offering subscription period should end on June the 3rd. Brokers, online trading platforms, etc. may establish a deadline before that. Now, personally, right now, I personally think this may get extended because there are a lot of brokerages out there that have still not even allowed people to take up this rights offering. And this should have been active now about a week already. And June the 3rd is swiftly coming around, okay? We've got about a week or so until this comes. So we could maybe expect an extension, but let's work on the basis that this isn't getting extended and June the 3rd is our deadline. And it says here that the prospectus relating to the rights offering on file. Before you invest, you should read the prospectus and other documents, etc., which we have covered all of this in previous videos. If you want to know a bit more about this offering, check out my previous videos. We break this down and we've gone through this so many different times. However, this is an update on this, and basically the update is saying here that the brokerages are going to start pushing this out now, and if you've got that number, that means you're now eligible to undertake this rights offering basically as well. So that's what's going on with this one. And like we said, how are you going to determine what the price is going to be? Well, the price will be calculated by taking the VWAP from the last 5 trading days leading up to the termination date of the rights offering on June the 3rd. So 5 days prior to June the 3rd, whatever the average price is, okay, that will be the price that you're going to be able to get the 25% discount on. So like we've said so many different times, 25% is quite a nice discount. If you're getting 25% discount on Tesla, you will probably snap that up in a quick grab, okay? However, with this one, 25%, this is a penny stock, and we have seen them drop more than 20% in a day before. So you do have to bear that in mind, okay? This is a big discount, however, it can kind of be wiped out over a period of time. Let's have a look at the stock at this moment in time. At the time of recording this, it currently trades for 0.0016. Now you can see over the last 5 days, it's pretty much been doing the same thing we've been seeing for the last few months. It has been barcoding up and down, pretty much hitting highs of 17, lows of 15. Not really moving too much. However, from those highs, you know, that is down about 3% anyway on the week. So it hasn't moved too much right now. However, once this rights offering gets completed, will we see a run up potentially, or will we see a buy the rumor, sell the news? Another potential. Bear that in mind. This is speculative. This is risky. However, most people who are in this now for the long term, waiting on the lawsuit news. Quick update regarding the lawsuit. We don't have one. Okay, the last time we spoke about the lawsuit was a little while ago. We update you every video, but generally nothing has changed for a period of time. 19th of April, I believe, was the last update from the lawsuit. Okay, we're still waiting on the judge to rule on the motion, which hopefully, we expected it to be a couple of weeks. We're obviously well over that now. So anytime now, we should be getting an update. There is no specific timeline. There has never been a timeline for the judge to reply. It's just been pure speculation. But when we do get that, if he rules out this motion and it goes to court, goes through the process anyway, we could see this run up very nicely indeed. But we don't know when that is going to be. But when we do get it, you can believe I will be giving you an update on that anyway. Now, there has been a bit of news articles around HCMC as of late. The Market Realist has put this one up. HCMC is a risky bet, best to avoid the penny stock. Bit of a short report, I guess, in a sense. Okay, they're not a fan of HCMC, and that's fine. Everything they talk about, we are well aware of. They talk about it being a grocer and a vape store, and they talk about the news, etc., around the lawsuit and the reason that people are buying into this. They say that this is driven by the community. Reddit, Twitter, etc. are all talking about HCMC, which has obviously helped get the price up over time. But we're well aware of that, and we're well aware of the risk. So no new insights for this one that we could be worried about. But I just wanted to point out that this is still getting attention from the press, whether it be good or bad. It is still getting attention. And we also got Investor Place put an update as well just a few days ago on what to know about healthy choices and the number there message, which we obviously have just touched on anyway. Basically, we're into a rights offering. People saw that number, they got excited, started looking to this stock, and obviously some volume did pick up when that number came out. However, people are still covering this one. It is still exciting, that's for sure. Okay, bearing in mind it's not moving too much, it still has a lot of attention, which is very unique for a stock with this particular price and market cap as well. And the Reddit community is still very much talking about this one. It has over 38,000 followers on Reddit, and every day we're still getting people's opinions and updates on HCMC as well. And yeah, we're going to keep giving you updates over here. But like I say, right now the price is currently 0.0016. It's been a long time since we're at those highs around about February time. However, I'm not sure when we're going to get back there. The lawsuit is going to be a massive catalyst for this one. However, as we know from our previous video, the BAT lawsuit, I think it's expected to finish around September time or something like that. And yeah, we spoke about that in the previous video. Check that out. But this is going to be a longer process than what most believe. The ideal situation would have been a settlement. That seems to be past that anyway. However, maybe we're waiting for the motion to dismiss to determine what Philip Morris's next move is going to be regarding counteracting HCMC anyway. But that's just all of our updates on this. If you appreciate these, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. We're going to keep giving you them, and hopefully we're going to get some news on the judge's ruling very soon as well. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you going to be taking part in the rights offering as well? Interested to see what you guys are doing. And as always, if you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. Until next time.